Are you over 50 and struggling with symptoms of an enlarged prostate? Frustrated about losing sleep over uncontrollable urges to go to the bathroom, swelling while standing, or debilitating sensations while performing simple tasks, making them harder than they should be? Then do this simple 5-second water trick before bed tonight. You might not know this, but you can soothe inflammation, stop urges and pain with no pills or expensive surgery, in a relatively short period of time, if you follow a simple evening hack. Harvard research scientists recently published studies conducted by students from the aerospace and urology departments that examine how the bladder retains and distributes fluid in a zero-gravity environment. Their findings have led to a breakthrough discovery that has helped thousands of men improve their bathroom habits and prevent serious complications. This non-chemical solution has been met with resistance from the pharma industry, but its ability to ease pain and inflammation has made a significant impact. Men all around have regained their confidence and overcome the embarrassing feeling of struggling to urinate, which may have been a problem for months or even years. Tap the link in the descriptions to find out more in the short free video. Imagine no more sleepless nights with uncontrollable urges, pain or furthermore serious complications. Just some restful sleep, refreshing energy, and confidence returning in abundance regardless of how long it's been since the last time. It could be a gratifying chapter of many more to come. But I must mention, this information is spreading fast and there is no certainty on how long it will last on the web. The greedy multi-figure CEOs do not want you to see this video and find out about this groundbreaking discovery. Tap below and watch it now, before it's taken down.